welcome to Melu Classroom. Today we are going to learn a lesson about letter O. Okay, but we have already learned from A to N, right? So are you reading and writing also? Very good, children. So let us learn about O today. Okay, get set, go. Yes, children, what can you see on the panel? There is a letter. What is that letter? It is O. Uppercase O and lowercase o. Uppercase O and this one is lowercase o. And what is the sound of letter O, children? It is A. A. A is the sound of letter O. A is the sound of letter O. Okay. Now we will see few words that start with letter O. See this, children. Did you see this animal anytime? It is otter. Otter. Otter is an animal and it lives in sea and on the land. Okay, it can live on the land and in water. And the food for this otter is fishes. Okay, the food is fishes. What is this? Ocean. Ocean. It is a large water body, children. Ocean. What is this? It is also an animal. I think everybody have seen this. It is ox. This is ox. And what is this fruit? Yes, it is orange. Orange. Right. Now there is a sentence by using these four words. Let us see it. Otter and ox had orange juice and sat near the ocean. Okay. So ox and the otter became very good friends. Both are animals, right? And these two became very good friends. And they had orange juice and sat near the ocean. They are enjoying the nature. Okay, children? Yes. Now let us see few more words that start with letter O. Olive. Olive. Ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich is a bird, okay, which runs very fast, and the egg of ostrich also big in size. Okay, children? Octopus. Octopus is a water animal, and the important characteristic of octopus is it has 8 legs. It has 8 legs. And oval. Oval is a shape. Oval. Order. You must do this. Okay. When you say there is no option, it is saying as order. Only. Only. And I will repeat for you one more time. Olive. Ostrich. Octopus. Oval. Order. Only. Okay, children? Right. Now you have understood how to read the words that start with letter O by using the sounds. Am I right? Now we will learn a short rhyme on O. Yes, are you ready for the rhyme, children? Yes. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here, with a oink oink there, here and there and everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. oink oink here, with the oink oink there, here and there and everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With the oink oink here, with the oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm there are some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With the oink oink here, with the oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right, children? Here we have used some words that start with O. Old MacDonald, old. And oink oink, that start with letter O. Right. Now we will see one more rhyme on letter O. Now it's dark, oh oh oh. Now it's dark, oh oh oh. We should turn on lights. We should turn on lights. Oh oh oh, oh oh oh. Now it's bedtime. Now it's bedtime. We should turn off lights. We should turn off lights. Oh oh oh, oh oh oh. Here we have used on, off, right? On starts with O, off starts with O, right? So keep practicing these rhymes, children. You will love to do this along with your friends. Now we will move on to writing. Yes, children, are you ready with your book and pencil? Right. We are going to learn few words and how to write them along with this sound. The first word that we are going to learn is octopus. Octopus. So you can divide this word into 3 syllables. Octopus. Let us take the first syllable, that is oc. What are the sounds included, children? O, k. So you already know which letter sounds O. It is O, right? O. And the second sound is k. Which letter sounds k? It is C. And the second syllable is to. T, O. Which letter sounds T? It is T. And which letter sounds O? O. Octo. We are done with the 2 syllables. The last syllable is purse, right? So there are 3 sounds included in the syllable. P, A, S. So which letter sounds P? P. Which letter sounds A? It is U. And the last sound is S. So S sounds octopus. Okay, children? Then the second word is ox. O. O sounds O and X sounds X, right? X sounds. So write O, X, ox. So we should write O and X to complete the word. And the third word is oval. Okay. need not to divide into any syllables, children. You can directly write with the help of phonetic sounds. But what all sounds included in this? O, V, A, L. Right? So to write O sound, we should write O letter. And V, the next sound is V, right? So which letter sounds V? It is V. And the next sound is A, right? So A letter has two sounds, right children? So A and A. So here you have to write A. Over L. L sounds L. Oval. And the last word is ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich can be divided into 3 syllables. Ostrich. Os. The first syllable is os. So the sounds included are A and S. The sounds included are A and S. So you should write those letters. O and S. Then tree. Os we have completed. The second syllable is tree. So the sounds included are T, R and E. Which letter sounds T? It is T. And R. Which letter sounds R? It is R. And the last sound in the second syllable is E. I sounds E. And the third syllable is Ch. So to make this sound Ch, we should always write C and H together. Yes children? Right. So write C and H. This becomes the word ostrich. So now we have completed all the words. Let us read once. Octopus, ox, oval, ostrich. Okay, so you please keep reading and write the other words that start with letter O. Now we will move on to activity. Yes children, now it's an activity time. Okay, to do an activity for letter O, we need one A4 paper. We need one A4 paper and crayons. Okay, let us see what I am going to do. You also keep ready with the things. Okay, right.
Right children, we are ready with the requirements and going to... Yes children, I am ready with the requirements, that is A4 sheet and crayons. Now I will pick up orange color crayon to do an activity. And by this time I think you have understood why I have picked orange color. O for orange, and I am going to draw orange here on the paper. So it is very simple children. Draw left curve and slightly bend like this. Okay, here also. Then draw a right curve. Yes, our orange is ready. But you need to fill it. Right? So fill the orange in one stroke. So you must use always only one stroke to color any object children. Do not color as you want to or as you wish. Always color in one direction. If you color like this in one direction, your picture will look very nice and beautiful. See, I am using only one stroke, right? So this is the way we should do our coloring. Yes. So we are done with the coloring. So wherever you see these white patches, try to fill it properly. Yes. Now we will draw one leaf with the green color. Yes. To make the border little more visible, you can draw one more time. Just an outline. You can draw like this, so that the shape of the orange will look very much visible. Yes. Understood, children? Yes, this is the way you can draw an orange by using paper and crayons. We are done with the activity and hope you enjoyed this.
Yes, children, see our drawing. Beautiful, right? And very easy also. You can draw orange like this. And not only orange, you can keep trying other objects drawing with the help of strokes. Okay? We are done with the session. Shall we have a quick recap? Yes. So what we did in this session, children? We have identified the letter O and recapped the sound of letter O, and we have seen few words that start with letter O. We learned two rhymes and we learned how to write the words with the help of phonetic sounds. Then finally we did a hands-on activity, that is drawing and coloring. Yes, now your job is to keep practicing all these, children. Okay, you do that. I am going to see you in the next class. Bye bye.